Okay, this is my video for Blessed Assurance. What you'll see on Planning Center is I attached the song from Elevation Worship. We're going to kind of be combining that song and the band sheet. So what I'm going to be describing to you is off the band sheet, and I'll kind of talk about how it coincides with the song that you hear. So basically, the thing that I did is, if you listen to the actual recording, it has verse 1, 2, and then it goes into the chorus, and then it adds its own wonderful Savior, whatever. It does a bridge that it makes up of its own. What I did is I kept kind of more true to the song, the original song. So I have verse 1 instrumental, verse 2 instrumental, verse 3 instrumental, because there's a third verse there. And then I do have the chorus at the end. So basically, if you look at the band sheet and then compare it to the recording, the way that I envision that this song will be, this is going to be right after communion. So it'll kind of be that quiet feel anyways. And so it's a smooth transition. But we'll do, if you listen to the recording, the way that the song slowly builds, like verse 1 is just piano. It goes into an instrumental there, like a 4 measures, and it kind of builds a little bit, but not very much. And it's a little bit bigger in verse 2, and then the chorus on the recording is just a little bit bigger, a little bit more full. That's kind of the feel that I want for verse 1, 2, and 3. So that same feel and how it kind of slowly builds, it doesn't build a ton, is what I want for when you look at the band sheet for verse 1, 2, and 3. So listen to the recording. And obviously, when it goes into verse 3 on the band sheet, you would be hearing the chorus on the recording, so it's not going to be the same chords, so know that. But so I'm thinking verse 1 is pad and keys. Once it goes to that first instrumental, acoustic will join in a little bit, still really light for instrumental in verse 2, and then for the second instrumental, then I'm thinking, and that's shorter than what the recording's instrumental is. I kept it at 4 measures instead of, I think the recording goes to like 6 or 7 measures. So then maybe electric can join in a little bit more there and kind of do some highlighting, different things. So it kind of builds up. Drums are kind of doing its own thing. You can kind of hear the snare is going a little bit more in the kick drum. But then after verse 3, if you look at the band sheet, when it says the 5 at the very end, I do want that to drop down, just like the chorus on the recording drops down, and it does that little instrumental line, the ding, 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 ding. I do want that to drop down just like it does in the recording. So if you look at interlude 1, that first line is just going to be piano. We're not going to sing anything there. We're not going to do anything. It'll build up a little. I wrote light build after that. That's when I'm going to actually start singing the "Oh, what a Savior, glorious Jesus," or whatever those words are. I'm going to start on line 2 of interlude 1. That's where the vocals will kick in, and it'll be a little bit bigger. Then line 3 is a little bit bigger. Then for the interlude 2, I want that to be pretty big. So we're slowly building up to that point. And then at the interlude 2, it kind of changes its chords a little bit, but I'll do, "Oh, what a Savior, glorious Jesus, oh, what a Savior," and there will be a break there. So I put a diamond there at the end there. So it'll be like, "Oh, what a Savior, coom, this is my," and then we all come in really loud for "Story, this is my song," and we're playing the choruses very big and very full and loud. And then the outro is going to be kind of like the outro if you listen to the very end of the song. It kind of does the same little ding, 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 ding. Like we could still play that. And then the drums, if you listen to the end of the song, the snare kind of goes dung, 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 dung. And it kind of ends there. So I know this is a weird video. I just figured this is the easiest way to kind of convey what I envision for this song. I think this could be cool because this is a song obviously everybody knows, and could be done really well, I think. So if you have any questions, call me. Hopefully that makes sense, but I at least wanted to give the idea of how the song will go, and then we can obviously work on it on Wednesday. So I think that's it. All right, later.